Okay. Hi, everyone. So this is an assignment I was asked to do for one of my classes. It was make a music video about what kind of teacher you want to be. Um, as you guys have seen in the past, I'm not great at editing and special effects and all that. So I decided to go with the old saying, play to your strengths. Should have looked up who said that. Darn. That's okay. I also had a teacher a few years ago that gave me some really awesome advice. She said, teachers are closet performers. And the more I thought about how I wanted to do this project, I realized, yeah, that's kind of true. I've seen so many teachers out there put on silly costumes and all kinds of cool stuff, and I've done the same. So I thought, okay, I will just play to my strengths on this. It's probably not exactly what this project was supposed to be, but I did my best. So I rewrote Bohemian Rhapsody to fit what kind of teacher I want to be. And Freddy, forgive me, I'm gonna sing it because why not? All right. Is this a real year? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a quarantine, no escape from reality. Open up Zoom and Google Classroom and see. I'm just second grade. What do I do here? Well, you open up your email, click the link, no need to wail. Anyway, the test goes, all my students matter to me. Admin, just want to teach. Have a great math lesson, hands-on. Here to observe, well then come on. Admin, time had just begun. But now it's time to move on to our writing. Admin, ooh, creative writing. We'll come back to this again, this time tomorrow. Carry on, as my students really matter. Too late, our time is done. I can see we still need time to perfect this wretched rhyme. Goodbye, all my students, we've got to go. Don't forget to turn all your assignments in. Admin, ooh, flexibility. Rearranging the schedule to fit in every standard. I had to stop. I started cracking up. Okay. I see a student who looks frustrated. On Kahoot, on Quizlet, you can do it with aplomb. Deep breaths and a break, we can work through this one-on-one. Galileo, placement test proficient. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Oh, all the stickers, participation stickers. Our admin has a science kit put aside for me, for me, for me. Arts and crafts can help us learn about those fractions. I do, we do, and you do for practice in action. Oh, baby, it's time for recess, baby. Just gotta get out, just gotta get right out of here. Ooh. All my students matter, anyone can see. All my students matter, all my students matter to me. Any way the test goes. I don't know whether to bow or apologize. I'm sorry. Oh. Okay.